So as I said, this is at a place called Kombani. This is a junction that is going to take you all the way to the Kwale County offices, which are located in Kwale town. So the other road which we just left, as I said, it is from Likoni all the way into Lunga Lunga, and you're going to go all the way into Tanzania. So from this point, it is about 17 kilometers to Kwale town, and I'm going to go all the way to the stadium that is under construction because we need to know what is going on there. Remember, the stadium, it's going to host the Mashujaa Day celebrations, and the president and his entourage is going to be here. So right now, we just entered Kwale town. You can see some good ambience that do welcome you, and I really like the place. I really like the nature around this area. Yeah, to the left, you can see that is the county government offices, and as I said, I'm going to go direct. We're going to start, first of all, the stadium to see how far it is gone, and then we're gonna do a round trip of Kwale town itself. And then another thing that is under construction in this town, it is the state lodge. Okay, so this is it. Hello everybody, welcome again to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I am so excited because a lot of good things are happening right here in Kwale County. Now when I talk about good things, remember the south coast, which is on the Kenyan coast. We got a bridge that is the southern bypass, or rather the Dongukundu bypass, that is going to take you all the way from Nairobi. From SGR, you do not have to go through the hassles and bustles of the ferry. Now this 20th, we are going to have Mashujaa Day celebrations right here in Kwale County, or rather the Heroes Day. Remember, nowadays the national holidays, they are usually done in county, inter-county, which is a good thing because it helps to promote tourism, it helps to promote a lot of things, and that is why this year it is right here in Kwale. Okay, let me say the Mashujaa celebrations is happening right here in Kwale town. Now if you look at the other side, we got a very nice road, and as I said, this is the Kwale Stadium. Look at it, it is looking all good, and I'm quite sure when all this is done and dusted, a lot of tourism is gonna be boosted because many people are coming this side just to know, or rather to experience what is happening. Remember, in this side we also got the Shimba Hills. You can actually go to the Shimba Hills just to see, I mean, nature, how nature is. So what I want us to do, let us get into this stadium, let us see how it is, because in a couple of days we are going to have the president in this place celebrating Mashujaa Day. Okay, so as I said, let us move inside. Remember, this is in Kwale town. This is a big stadium, and I'm told it's going to accommodate at least 12,000 people. 12,000 people. All the arrangements are being done. You can even see one of the major sound system, the homeboys are already here. So this is going to be a very good place. You can come here, do your sports, and just enjoy yourself. So this is how it looks like, and I wouldn't be inside here for long because you can tell there's a lot of music that is going on. So see how the place looks like. Wow, I'm liking this, and I can tell you for sure there's a lot of parking space in this side, a lot of parking space, and expansion is still going on. Wow. I just like what I am seeing. I like what I am seeing. Let us get inside. So my people, this is how the stadium looks like. You can see, wow, it's gonna be big, it's gonna be huge. Many people are going to be here, at least 12,000 people, and it's looking all glammed up, all ready for the event. I can't wait for 20th to find me here so that I may be able to celebrate with the Kwale people, because I know this is going to be a major thing, or rather it is a major thing. As I said, a lot of tourism activities are going to go on. Ukuje utembee karibu na mimi. Isikia kama najiongelesha, kama kama tunaongea na wewe. So guys, as I said, look at it. This is the Kwale Stadium right here in Kwale town, in the coastal region. I can tell you a lot of good things are coming here. There's so many kids around here. I really don't know what the activity is all about, but you can be sure it is all looking good. Look at this. So Kwale County, it's one of the 6 counties in the coastal region. This is this is county 002. County 002 after Mombasa, and then Kilifi comes in, and then we got Tana River. We got 3 more. We got Taita Taveta, which is the other one. Forgetting the other one, but we got 6. So guys, you can see what is happening right here. They are doing everything just to ensure this stadium is complete. Everything is done and dusted. Everything is looking good, ready for the big day. Ready for the big day. Remember when I said the big day, the president is gonna be here? So guys, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. If this is your first time to bump onto this channel, kindly consider to subscribe, like, and also share this video. Remember, on the 20th, which is Mashujaa Day, or rather the Heroes Day, all activities are in Kwale County, and it's going to go down right here in Kwale Stadium. You can see that is the dust that is under construction. Beautification, that is where the president is going to sit. Entertainment is happening. Entertainment is also going on. Wow. So let me take you through Kwale County, or rather Kwale town. You'll be able to see how Kwale itself looks like, and then we are gonna wind up. Okay.
Kama pale ilikuwa na kasha. Hapa siri iko pande hiyo siri hapo.
Okay. Kuelewa. Serial board. Najua kusema serial unashindwa. Najua sasa tumekuja town mpaka hata unashindwa. Vitu mingi zinatupotea, tunasahau vitu mingi. Kwenda
hii inapanda kujina inapanda wapi hapa?
So guys, you can see there's a lot of construction that is going on, simply for one reason. We are going to have Mashujaa Day celebrations right here in Kwale County. We are having a lot of infrastructure that is going on in Kwale County. I know Kwale people are going to be happy with all this. You can see the road, the new road. We even have the footpath, decoration, or rather beautification. See everything is turning out for the best of Kwale County people. Hii kama itashika ya vizuri na hiyo upepo itajua mimi. Hawa ni watu wa jana. Sasa hapa ni wildlife. Yes, ndio tumeona sana. Mtu akiona video, nataka kuona video kama ina
wagi hiyo.
Ngine nitafanyia kuisoma jirani. Ukiona vile sauti siko sure na hiyo. Unaona tunaenda kwa direction ya upepo kabisa. Alafu tunaenda left ama? So guys, this is a quick tour of Kwale town. This is in Kwale County 002. Kaya. Hebu tumshtue tuingie kama ni hapo. Ama aje? Shimba Hills National Reserve, it's here. Wow. So guys, welcome to Kwale town, or rather, yeah, Kwale town. And this is where we got the county offices, and also we got a state house right ahead. So this is how it looks like today, and I'm quite sure it has to change, or rather a lot is going to change for the better very, very soon. So you can see here we got a matatu stage, we got a matatu bus terminus here. There's also a parking here, and also a shopping area. So it isn't a big town, but at least it's something. It is going somewhere.
State Lodge.
Oh, State Lodge. Sijui tu stop hapo kidogo. Ama tuende tu. Ama tuzunguke tu, there is nothing much. Si ndio? No, tuende tu. Tuende tu proceed. Tuende tu mbele, tuende zetu. So guys, as you can see, that is the State Lodge. Sorry, I said a state house. This is a State Lodge right here in Kwale County. As usual, you know, I can't go very close with the camera, but that is how it looks like. To the other side, it looks like a park. Uhuru Gardens. Yeah, so this is where you're going to have the State Lodge. Look at how it's going to be. This is in Kwale County. Tampita huyo. Alafu ukipita mahali ofisi usistop hapo tena, sio? So in this video it is like I'm going back to Kombani, that is the Likoni Lunga Lunga Highway. You can see that is the Huduma Center. This is the Kwale County headquarters. Yeah, this is how it looks like. So guys, this is where we have the county government offices right here in Kwale County. It looks so beautiful. Wow. Sawa sasa. And here I'm told this is Kwale Primary School. And then now we got several offices around. Now that main road, that is the one that is going to take you all the way to Kombani, to the Likoni Lunga Lunga Highway.
This is the parliament, the county parliament.
This is the county assembly. Hapo usisimame hapa.
Simame na bila tuende kidogo na nirudi nyuma.
And it looks beautiful. It's still under construction, not yet finished, sindio?
Ilikuwa inafanya renovation.
Sorry?
Serikali yote.
I think we should go back.
Yeah.
That way. So guys, all these the county offices. You can see there we got the Kwale law courts. From my observation, Kwale town, it's a laid-back town. So very, very beautiful. So this is the county assembly office under renovation. It's looking good. I like the design. I like the design of all this. This is where the MCAs do sit and do their shit and do their stuff. So thank you so much guys again for always coming back to support my video. At least I've shown you where the stadium that is under construction, which is going to host the Mashujaa Day on 20th. This is going to be on Sunday. I've shown you where we are having the state lodge, where we got the county offices. I've shown you where we got the county assembly. So thank you so much for the support. Sorry.
Nitakuweka hapa stage. Ile stage wakati matatu wanabebeana wanapelekana huko. Kuna watu wamekaa hapo na ngoja magari.